Have you ever tried to rename or delete a photo on your computer and Windows gives you this annoying error message? The action can't be completed because the file is open in Photos. Close the file and try again. It happens even when you've already closed the photo, right? Super frustrating. This error usually means the Windows Photos app is still running in the background, even if you don't see it open. That's why Windows thinks the file is still in use. Here's how to fix it in just a few seconds. First, open Task Manager. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+Shift+ES key on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager right away. Next, you need to find the Photos app in the list of running apps. You might see it under Apps or under Background Processes. You can also click the search bar in Task Manager and type Photos to find it faster. When you see it, just right-click on Photos, then click on End Task. This tells Windows to fully close the app, even if it's hiding in the background. Now go back to the photo and try renaming it or deleting it. And guess what? It should work perfectly now. If this keeps happening, you can try using a different photo viewer app. Or just get into the habit of ending the task if Photos acts up again. If this video helped you fix the problem, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Larem for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. See you in the next one.